Fresh fillets out of a lake as cold as Reindeer Lake turned out to be one of the best perks of the whole trip.
Fish on. All right.
We've shown you some of the great northern fishing here, but this lake also has some truly unbelievable lake trout fishing. When I say we were catching them one after the other, that's exactly what I mean. One of us had a trout on the line constantly, and I tell you, it was a blast.
Doesn't feel very big, but that doesn't mean anything, does it? No. Whoa! That's a good looking fish. All right. All right. That's a good looking fish. It's 5 pounder, isn't it?
Pretty much it. We'll keep that one for this. I think it is a white meter, so you guys can see the difference and stuff.
Okay. Nice fish. It's a heavy fish.
Well, I'm not one to be told I can't do something. So when I told Junior I was going to catch a laker on a fly rod, and he said no way, I had to prove him wrong.
Well, they say it couldn't be done. Junior said it couldn't be done. Here we are. First lake trout on a fly rod. Now we'll have to see if we can land them.
Good job.
All right. Is that an orange meat?
This is a white meter.
White meat. Oh well. Guess we'll throw that one back. I'll take that $20 from the Junior. Fish on.
Hi.
This is great. There he comes. Oh. Come on. I'll probably lose him. Say that. TJ, you gotta get somebody else.
There's sort of like two different species of lake trout. There's the orange meat lake trout like a salmon, and then there's the white meat trout. The way you tell the difference is the orange meat have orange fins, and the white meat sort of have white fins all around. So this is perfect size for lunch as well.
Which is the better eating?
The better eating are the ones with the orange meat.
Well, all week we had a truly awesome time, but there was only one thing missing that would make this trip one for the ages: a monster northern. Now, we've had our hands on some big fish and have seen some real pigs that we were unable to hook into, so we knew that they were here. Junior didn't lose hope though, and actually promised us a fish over 40 inches. And on the last day of the trip, he delivered.
We're cruising around this shallow bay. We're spot fishing for northern, believe it or not. And the Junior, our guy, said, there's a big one, there's a big one. And I threw it right in front of it. Wham! He put the hammer down. This is him here. Whoa!
You got under the boat and around the front? Around the front?
Hold on. Oh my Lord. Look at that. There he goes. Goodbye. Arctic Lodge, man. You cannot beat this place. Oh, look at that fish. Whoa! Oh, this thing is very sharp. 19 pounds.
19, yep, 19 and a
19 pounds. Oh.
Hey, measure it.
You got him?
What a monster.
Tweak the tail.
Okay. It doesn't even go that far.
It's got to be at least 40.
42, 43?
Yep.
43 inches, 19 pounds. Arctic Lodge, baby.
Hold it right under the hinge there. Right here.
Right
If you
here?
put your hands in there, you'll really get, no, put your, like this. Like that. If you put them under the gills, you're gonna slice up your fingers.
Okay. Unreal.
Great fish.
In northern Saskatchewan, we haven't got anything like this so far. This has made the trip. This has definitely made the trip. Man. You having fun yet? Junior. I know that's not the biggest of the year, but man, that sure has made the trip for us.